Hello guys, welcome back to Simply FPV. Welcome to this winter wonderland. As much as I hate the cold, I love flying, and I couldn't let this opportunity go by. So, Sunday morning, feeling crappy. Let's fly. So somehow, I don't know why, that little bit of crash did something, and now my motors are not turning good or whatever, but I have to head home. This sucks. Since the quad was doing weird things and it's pretty wet because of the snow, I took the top plate off, took the plugs out, and guess there's only one solution then. And now we wait till it dries. So now for the test. See, it's barely plugged in, so if it does fly away, it will unplug. Let's check it. No weird noises and weird things. So the problem was caused by snow. Shitty snow. Okay. Let's put it together and maybe we have another chance today. We'll see. So this is an empty vacation park. This is going to be take 2. Let's hope the quad is not getting too wet right now. So let's see if we can fly.